Okay, so the goal of this problem is to find g prime of x. Now I want to tell you guys straight up that let's use the most general form. Let's use something like f of u. So f of u is equal to a of u, right? Something like this. And then we know that f prime of u, just because we know these formulas, right? Like you can search them up and you'd see that that formula looks like this. Looks like a of u, then ln of a, then d du of u. This is what the formula looks like. So in our case, we know that u is equal to x plus ln of x. Then we know that a is equal to 2. I'm just literally just reading this off and comparing it. So we see a is equal to 2, right? And then u, like I'm just taking the spots. That's all I'm doing here. So now, if we want to apply this exact formula, all we have to do is insert the values. So g prime of x is equal to what? 2x plus ln of x, ln of 2, and then the derivative of this guy multiplied by the derivative of this guy. So what's the derivative of this guy? It's 1 plus 1 over x. Yeah, so it's kind of an ugly answer, and that's how these exponential and log, chains kind of turn out. They look really ugly, and they're really hard to integrate. So it's not like you can really check your work by integrating. At least I wouldn't know how to integrate it. But just make sure you set up the formula correctly, and then everything else should be fairly simple.